So we did back, middle, front. We did the front and the quads already. Now we're gonna do these little tiny muscles on the outside of the hip. So you can cross one leg over the other. The one that's in back is the side that you're stretching. You want to think about, again, creating a fulcrum, not a curl, right here, and you're going to push that out to the side. Depending on which angle you pick, you might get a little more forward on the stretch or backwards. And if you don't feel it that much, think about flattening the back foot into the floor, and that's going to increase it in target right there. So. And switching.